Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware support. Check model specs or device manager to see both integrated and discrete GPUs present. Once done, update BIOS and GPU drivers so the switch is supported and plug the laptop into power to prevent throttling. Reboot and enter BIOS/UEFI, usually F2, Dell, or ESC, then locate graphics or video settings. Make the initial change there if an option exists to prefer discrete GPU. Save and restart so Windows will detect the new preference. Once Windows boots, open the vendor control panel, NVIDIA control panel, or AMD Radeon settings, and set the preferred GPU globally or per app. This tells the driver which adapter to prioritize. If the control panel lacks an option, go to Settings System Display Graphics and assign apps to High Performance, Discrete GPU, or Power Saving, Integrated. Make sure drivers match the selection. Only disable the Integrated GPU in Device Manager as a last resort, because that can cause display or sleep issues. Finish by testing. Launch a game or benchmark and watch Task Manager or GPU-Z to confirm the discrete GPU is active under load. If the screen is blank, sleep fails, or performance drops, immediately revert BIOS or device manager changes and roll back drivers if needed. Make sure power settings allow maximum performance and monitor temperatures. Thermal limits can force GPU switching. If problems persist, update BIOS again or consult the laptop vendor. This typically resolves compatibility quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.